So I set up the ice maker. It's actually super nice. It produces ice crazy fast. I actually can't keep it full enough. As you can see, it says add water. It does collect some fingerprints because it is stainless steel, but it is also a little annoying. Small detail here. You have to open this up to pull the tray out to fill it. Now, that's a little frustrating for me. That might not be frustrating for you. It does work fairly well though. It hasn't leaked. It's running absolutely quiet during the day. And I have a household with several adults in it living off of this thing because our fridge doesn't make enough ice, and this thing can keep up with all of us, and I munch on ice 24/7. So if you're thinking about it, I definitely recommend this one over, say, the Frigidaire Gallery or the fancier ones, because this one doesn't leak, and it also doesn't make any horrible sounds. It's actually extremely quiet for what it is.